Hey guys, good morning. So I slept at about 12:45. Although I should have slept early because I entered the home last night at 11. Then I got busy with posting yesterday's vlog. Generally I posted in the morning, but I thought since I've entered on time, because it takes me about half an hour to make the vlog, combine all the videos, add some music, make sense of it, and then post the vlog. So it takes me about half an hour. So I spent half an hour doing that. Then I don't know, I was doing something else. I don't know what I was doing. No, I don't even remember. And then I've been up since 4:30 in the morning for some reason or the other. I think I had a lot of rice yesterday. But that I had in the afternoon at 2 o'clock. And after that at 6 o'clock I had eggs. Then in the evening only had soup. So I don't know what's wrong with my diet yesterday. So I've been up since 4:30. I tried to sleep after that, but I haven't slept, and it's 6:15, 20 right now. Finally gotten up, giving up on the idea that I can sleep again. At least for now. Maybe I'll sleep later in the day, but I just slept 3.5 hours, and I was just going left and right in the bed for like about an hour and a half, trying to sleep, but I couldn't sleep. So I'm up now. I'm thinking what to do.
Hey guys, so I was wondering like about half an hour back or so what I was gonna do since I was up. I couldn't sleep, but I'm sleepy. But I've ended up coming in Tao Devi Lal Park for a walk. I'm not running. Last time I came, I ran. I'm not running today because again I don't want my tattoos to sweat. So I'm gonna give them the whole week's break. But I'm walking right now. So I'm in the park right now with a bunch of people, and it's full. I had like trouble finding parking, but all good. Found parking now, so I'll be walking for a while. Maybe I'll go to McDonald's for breakfast after that. Hey guys, does it happen to you that sometimes you just don't want to talk to someone at all, like for no fucking reason, right? Like there's this guy I run into at the gym all the time, and I know his name also, but I've never said hi to him because I just don't like his vibe for some reason. I just don't like his vibe. I don't know what's wrong with his vibe, but I've never even spoken to him, and he may be just perfectly a nice person, maybe, I don't know, but somehow I don't like his vibe, so I never said hi to him. And today at the park only, when I was trying to park the car, I ran into him again, and of course I ignored him because that's what I want to do. I don't know, does it happen to you? Alright guys, 5 minutes to 8 and I've come for breakfast at McDonald's because I'm hungry now. I'm gonna sleep for a while, but for now there's a cow. Say hi to a cow. This is a representation of India since 2014 elections. Everywhere the fucking cows. Anyways, I've come for breakfast. I think they'll open this at 8 a.m, which is 5 minutes from now. There's a mall in sector 57. And they have a bunch of outlets here. There's Subway also, there's Third Wave Coffee, a bunch of stuff here. Is this H&M? It's not H&M, it's something else. So it's too early in the morning. People are cleaning the area. And yeah, I'll have breakfast and I'll go sleep for a while. This is Gitanjali Studio. Gitanjali Salon. Whatever, Axis Bank. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm just about finishing the breakfast at McDonald's. I love the breakfast. This video will also serve as a review video for McDonald's breakfast. So the breakfast is great. I had egg and chicken McMuffin, egg and sausage, chicken sausage McMuffin, one hash brown and one black coffee. Great breakfast. And actually walked like about 20 minutes more in the morning so that I could make the 8 a.m. slot, right? Because that's when they start breakfast. So excellent breakfast. Cheers. So this Gen Z lingo has taken over the country. Whatever the fuck does main character energy takes? But it's all over social media and it's all on businesses now. Main character energy. Hey guys, about 4:30 and after I came back from the breakfast, I posted a bunch of stuff. I posted I made in the morning about my interview with Narayan. I thought it was really funny, but it hasn't done as well as I thought it would. That is one of the challenges I'm having, right?
my content is not performing as well. I mean, the comedy content is not performing as well. This channel is anyways new, so I don't have a lot of expectations here, and I think it will grow in its sweet time. I have plans for it in terms of properly edited videos as well, and shorts, but I'm not worried about this channel, but I'm really worried about my comedy channel, right? My content, I'm posting across social media, right? Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Threads, Twitter. Even the reel that I made this morning about my interview with Narayan Modi, it made me laugh a lot. I thought it was really funny. But it got some likes on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn also, but not to the expectation I had. So maybe people are not resonating with the jokes as much as I think they're funny, or maybe I find stuff the stuff that I find really funny, people don't find that stuff really. I don't know what's wrong with it. So I'm struggling a bit in my mind. So I need to figure that out. I need to figure out what should I make, that will work. Because in terms of jokes, I can write jokes about anything. But what do I joke about? So that's the challenge, right? So, but yeah, I need to figure that out. So I got a bit disappointed in the afternoon, and then I asked myself, things not working out. So I posted this story on both of my Insta accounts, that what will you do if losing is not an option? And the answer is that I'll try till I've got nothing left in me. Because you fail when you give up. So die trying. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna die trying. I do hope that at some point things will work, and things will pick up far more than they are picking up right now. But I'm gonna keep experimenting and keep trying. Yeah. So otherwise, I've been really sleepy after posting the stuff, thinking about stuff, because I barely had about 3 to 4 hours of sleep last night. I tried to sleep for an hour, but I'm still sleepy because it's the total sleep I've had since last night is about 3 to 4 hours. Because I've been up since 4:30, and then I kept rolling in the bed in the morning, but I couldn't sleep later. So I have to review a few reels. I have to review the 2 videos which have been pending for the whole week, but I've not been able to get to that. But I'll review 3 or 4 reels so that I have content to post for the whole week. And then I'll review the 2 videos sometime, hopefully during the week. I don't know, because I might travel also. So yeah, I'm going to my sister's place to have dinner tonight. So that's gonna take the rest of the day after I review the reels. So yeah, today will go. Tomorrow I'll have some time, so maybe tomorrow I'll do that. Tomorrow I'll review the 2 videos. Hopefully I should do that, because then I might not be there for like 3-4 days. Yeah, when I say yeah like this, then that means I don't know what else to say. Thanks for watching. And one of the things I really want to do when I record these videos, as much as I can remember, is I want to leave all these videos with a question. Hope you're happy. Hope you are feeling happy. Hope you are feeling happy. Because that's really the purpose of all my work, comedy or my writing work, to spread happiness. The stated purpose of my life is to make the world a warm, inspired, and happier place. That's the stated purpose of my life. Yeah. So hope you're feeling happy.
Hey guys, if you want people to let you do whatever you want to do with your life, you need to get the reputation of a weirdo, right? Because if people think you're a weirdo, they'll let you do whatever the fuck you want, right? Because then they'll be like, he or she is a weirdo. Then you can do whatever you want. They won't care, right? Because people don't bother with weirdos. The problem is when they think you are normal. Because if they think you're normal, they'll try to confine you to the confines of their thinking, which is a problem. Then they won't let you do what you want. So if you want to do what you want, you need to get the reputation of a weirdo. Yeah. Hey guys, these are the lanes I grew up in. This is Sector 7. And that's the house I grew up in. You can see this house. Yeah. That's my family home. Yeah. Not this. This. Yeah. I grew up here. And these are the lanes I played cricket in. I grew up on these fucking lanes, man. Hey guys. You know, I deleted the last video I posted on the story. Because, you know, sometimes I get emotional and I get overboard. I'm an emotional guy. And you don't have to live, you don't have to be a weirdo. You can live a perfectly normal life. In fact, sometimes I think people who live perfectly normal lives are quite lucky. Because, you know, if somebody chooses, nobody really chooses to live in a normal life. It's just shit happens, right? And destiny happens, right? Whatever, our stories are all written. So if you live a normal life, you have a normal family, you have a normal job, cherish your life. Don't listen to me. Sometimes you should just listen to me and think about what's the right. Because I do that sometimes, you know. I mean, I don't try to do bakwas. Maybe it makes sense to you, but exercise your own judgment, right? Don't always just. I say a lot of things, right? I'm a talker, so exercise your judgment. Hey guys, the day review. Besides the morning productive time of about 5:36 a.m. because my sleep cracked early in the morning to about noon. Till then, when I walked, I had breakfast. Then I uploaded a video which I thought was fun, but it didn't do that well. Rest of the day was sleepy, slow. Yeah, and I have a bunch of clips for the vlog, which is good. So I'll post the vlog tomorrow. And I think it's a good habit that I have this habit to do the day review as a part of my vlog, because it makes me always think every day that what am I doing right, what am I not doing wrong. You know, life flies very fast. I just want to say, live your life, okay? Try to be happy. Be normal, be weird, whatever suits you. Just be happy. Try to be happy. You know, time flies too fast. That's all I want to say right now. I'll be out for a few days next week, so let's see how those days go. So I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, I think that's about it. So I'm confused right now. So I don't want to say much when I'm confused. Okay. So bye. Good night.